Today we're going to be making a healthy chocolate banana and chia seed pudding. For the chia seed parfait, we're going to need chia seeds, almond milk, some maple syrup and vanilla essence. It's going to be a layered dessert, so we're going to layer that with a few toppings. We're going to make some chocolate banana soft serve ice cream made of cocoa powder and bananas and some vanilla extract. And then we're also going to top it with some roasted almonds and blueberries. Your first step would be to make sure you froze your bananas overnight for the banana soft serve ice cream, because that's how the base ingredient for the banana ice cream. And then you'll start making your chia seed pudding. You're going to need for one serving 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, depending on your sweetness you'd like. Two teaspoons of vanilla essence, and then 250 milliliters of almond milk or any other plant-based milk. You're going to whisk that up and then leave it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or overnight. To make your banana ice cream for one serving, you're going to need 2 frozen bananas. I'm going to make a little bit extra. Pop them in the food processor along with a little bit of vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. We're making chocolate, so 1 to 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. If you'd like it quite rich, do 2. And then we're going to blend it, and we'll see, we might need a little bit of almond milk just to make the mixture a little bit smoother and more liquid. You will need to pulse it quite a few times to get a smooth consistency. If you need to, you can just scrape the mixture back to the middle to make sure it gets blended. Add a little bit more almond milk if you need. Alright, here we have the finished banana and ice cream. As you guys can see, the texture is completely smooth and creamy. This is just how you want it. You're going to put this in the freezer and keep it aside until you need it when the chia seed pudding is ready. We have our chia seed gel, which has sat in the fridge and is ready. The banana and ice cream and the toppings, and now all we need to do is layer the different ingredients. You'll start with some of the chia seed gel at the bottom.